One River North is Denver, Colorado's newest high-rise luxury residence with ground floor retail. The project is the first of its kind and redefines urban living. What makes One River North so unique is its biophilic design. The building and its features are designed to bring the natural world into each space, creating unity between human creation and the natural environment. It has been recognized with an Award of Merit by ENR Mountain States in the Residential Hospitality category for 2024. Vertex is performing lenders' construction monitoring services for this project, which includes 16 stories with a 10-level rift that resembles Colorado's mountainous terrain and canyons. The center of the building offers residents an experience like no other, with a foliage-covered passageway with water features. The tower includes a 4-level hiking trail, leading residents to a 6,813 square foot rooftop garden, pool, spa, and terrace. It offers 187 residences ranging from 1 to 3 bedroom floor plans. Each floor plan includes floor-to-ceiling windows and a private open-air terrace. The 9th floor features a fitness center with a yoga studio that opens onto an outdoor yoga deck. The project also provides its residents with outdoor plazas, meeting rooms, an outdoor kitchen, bike storage and wash, and a pet spa. Vertex is responsible for review of the contractor's payment applications, construction progress, adherence to the project's schedule and budget, quality of workmanship, permitting, and overall risk analysis.